Ready to unlock the secrets of crafting stunning plaid patterns in Illustrator. First, create a new document. I recommend a square artboard for easier tiling later. Let's go to File, New, and set the dimensions. I will set it to 500 pixels. 500 pixels. Click Create. Next, grab the line segment tool and draw a vertical line. Hold down Shift to keep it perfectly straight. Make it thinner by adjusting the stroke weight in the Properties panel. I will set it to 2 points. Now, select the line and go to Object, Transform. Move enter a horizontal distance to create the spacing between lines. Click Copy to duplicate the line instead of moving it. Repeat this process by pressing Ctrl or Command on Mac to transform again until your artboard is filled with vertical lines. Select all the vertical lines and group them by pressing Ctrl or Command on Mac. Duplicate the group vertical lines by pressing Ctrl or Command on Mac and Ctrl or Command on Mac. Then rotate the duplicated group 90 degrees. You will want to go to the Properties panel and change the angle to 90 degrees. Now you have horizontal lines. Make sure the horizontal lines are positioned correctly to intersect with the vertical lines. Creating a grid, adjust the position as needed. Now for the fun part, use the Live Paint Bucket tool to fill in the squares with your desired color. Select the Live Paint Bucket tool from the toolbar. Click on different sections of the plaid with different colors selected to start coloring in the individual squares. To make it scalable, go to Object, Pattern. Make this creates a pattern swatch that you can apply to any shape. Adjust the tile settings if needed, and there you have it. A beautiful, custom plaid pattern ready to use in your designs. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Illustrator tutorials.